Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever looked around your room and wondered about all the different shapes that make up the world? Well, today, we're diving deep into one of the most common, yet super important, 3D shapes out there, the mighty cuboid. So, what exactly is a cuboid? Simply put, a cuboid is a 3D shape that has 6 rectangular faces. Think of it as a fancy name for a box. Each corner, or vertex, is where 3 faces meet, and all its edges are straight lines. Easy, right? Let's break it down with some key features. Faces. A cuboid has 6 faces. Imagine peeling off the sides of a box. Those are the faces. They're all rectangles. Edges. It has 12 edges. These are the lines where 2 faces meet. Vertices. And finally, it has 8 vertices. These are the points, or corners, where the edges come together. So, 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. That's your cuboid cheat sheet. Now, you might be thinking, isn't that just a cube? Great question. A cube is actually a special type of cuboid. Cuboid. All faces are rectangles. Cube. All faces are squares, and all its edges are the exact same L. So, every cube is a cuboid, but not every cuboid is a cube. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks a lot for watching.